All right, here's something I don't think a lot of people know how to do. It's pretty simple. A lot of preppers I watch, they never talk about it, but we're gonna try to sharpen a chainsaw today. And first off, it's a 7/32 file. I like to take it, just bend the end a little bit so it doesn't dig in your hand, and I try to do it where the camera can see. But on these, they have a little line right across the top like that. It gives you an angle to follow, and most of the time you can just hold your file flat across, straight up and down, and just follow the angle of that line. And most of the time you can give it like 3 strokes and then just move to the next one. Hold your same position. I usually hold my finger somewhere on the file and use the same amount on each one. And as you get more comfortable with it, you can do it a little faster. Sometimes you need to hold the file on a different angle, but most of the time you can just hold it flat. In my personal opinion, steel is the best chainsaw there is. And then you can just, most of the time I move the vise, but you just do the exact same thing on this side, following that angle, and that's all it is to it. See ya.